Hi friends, welcome. Today's BC Nobel Prize winners in India. What is the Nobel Prize and why it is to given? The Nobel Prize are a series of annual awards given in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace, conferred the greatest benefit to humankind in the previous 12 months. Founder of the Nobel Prize Alfred Nobel was an inventor, entrepreneur, scientist, and businessman who also wrote poetry and drama. His varied interests are reflected in the prize he established and which he laid the foundation for 1895 when he wrote his Lost Will, leaving much of his wealth to his establishment of the prize. Now we see in this video Indian Nobel Prize winners list. Number 1 Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his poetry collection of Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore, India's first Nobel Prize laureate, was born in Kolkata on May 7, 1861. He was a poet, writer and playwright, composer, philosopher and social reformer and the painter. C. V. Raman. He discovered the Raman effect in 1928. For it, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He became the first Indian to win this prestigious honor. This discovery of the scattering of light led to the development of a simple alternative of infrared spectroscopy, namely Raman spectroscopy. Argobind Krona. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968 was awarded jointly to Robert W. Hawley, Argobind Krono and Marshall W. Nirenberg for their interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. Mother Teresa. In 1979, Mother Teresa, 26 August 1910, 5 September 1997, was awarded the Nobel Prize. She was the leader of missionaries of Christian charity in Calcutta, India. At the age of 12, she felt strongly the call of God. She knew she had to be a missionary to spread to love of cherished. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Physics in 1983 for his theoretical studies of the physical process of importance to the structure and evolution of the stars. Amartya Sen. He was an economic sciences in 1998 for his contribution to the welfare of economics. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, born in 1952, is an Indian-born British American structural biologist who shared the 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Thomas A. Steers and Ade Yonath for studies of the structure of and function of the ribosomes. Kailash Satyarthi. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014 for his struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to be education. Abhijit Banerjee, an Indian American, Abhijit Banerjee, economist, Heather Duflo and Michael Kramer jointly won the 2019 Nobel Economics Prize and Monday for their experimental approach to elevating global poverty.